extremely windy out here. Windstorm. Hope you can hear my voice, but it's at 10 o'clock at night and these shingles here have lifted. So I'm gonna have to get to replacing this. So I'm gonna get back up there tomorrow when the wind calms down and take some shingles with me to the store to match up and whatever tools, roofing tar, galvanized nails, and look at the kind of damage that it's done. This windstorm isn't gonna die off until the next 24 hours, so I'm praying to God that this roof stays together. We got a crazy windstorm last night. Unfortunately for me, it took away my trampoline. It ended up on the neighbor's ditch on the other side here in his little pond. Man, I am just very sad. We had just gotten this thing last year too, and the kids are devastated. And it's obviously no good, but I can't just leave it here, so I gotta pull this thing out. Oh man. And there you have it, folks. I couldn't get footage of me taking it out, but it ended up in there. And I dragged it all across over here again with my iron horse. Oh man, the kids aren't gonna be happy, but that's nature for you. I'm at the mercy of Mother Nature, so this looks like I'm gonna have to go out and get him a new one. Alright, so this is the morning after. As you can see, this was the carnage that was inflicted on my roof last night. Held together for the most part, but I do got to replace several shingles. It ain't crazy bad, so I looked out there, but definitely gonna need a lot of roofing tar. Just seems like a lot of the shingles here aren't really glued or stuck down too well, so I'm gonna probably go edge by edge and just see if I can pry any up even by hand or something, and at the slightest moment that it pries up my hand, I'm gonna put a dab of glue down. So luckily for me, the local hardware store, they had some shingles that matched up perfectly in stock, so finally something's going my way. But have everything I need. Got a pack of shingles, I got my roofing tar, I got some galvanized roofing nails, an X-Acto knife, and a hammer. And I believe from what I've seen all online, that's pretty much all I need. So I'm gonna give this a shot. First time doing a roof repair. It's been a few days now, and just wanted to follow up on my roof repairs. So far so good. Not really much flapping, everything's all held down. As you can see, I made a mess with all the tar glue. But so far everything seems good. And yeah, we'll hope that it stays together for the next couple years, I hope. Well, I need a new roof. As you see, that's a new piece. That's a new piece. A couple new pieces here. But yeah.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you